Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MGM Plus on Firestick step by step clearly. To activate MGM Plus on Firestick, start by turning on your Firestick device. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen of your Firestick. Using your remote, scroll to the search icon at the top left of the screen. Type in MGM Plus and select it from the search results. Click on the MGM Plus app in the Applications section. Press the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then open the MGM Plus app. Once the app opens, you will see an activation screen. If you already have a subscription, click on the Sign In option. Enter your MGM Plus account credentials, including your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After signing in, you may be prompted to activate your device. Write down the activation code displayed on your screen. Next, open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. Visit the MGM Plus activation website. Enter the activation code you noted earlier. Click on the Activate button to confirm. Once you see a confirmation message, return to your Firestick. The MGM Plus app will refresh and you will be logged in. You can now start streaming your favorite shows and movies on MGM Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.